Skoda often swoops in and obliterates its Volkswagen Group stablemates VW, Seat and Audi on space and practicality, and the Skoda Octavia is one of the best examples of that. It's a family car that's bigger than a Volkswagen Golf, Seat Leon, Mercedes A-Class, Audi A3 or BMW 1 Series, but costs less to buy. This Skoda Octavia might be all new, but it's still very clearly an Octavia. Up front, you get the same distinctive grille, though it's bluffer than before, and the horrible twin headlights of the old car have been scrapped for a pair of slim line LEDs. The crease that runs down the side of the car makes it look more imposing, like shoulder pads in a 1980s suit jacket. And you can have wheels up to 19 inches in size, even on non-vRS models. The new look is finished off with crystal-style rear LEDs. Skoda has made a big effort to make the new Octavia feel more upmarket than the last car, with soft-touch plastics, textile padded trim finishes, and thickly stuffed seats that could rival your armchair at home for comfort. Even so, it's still blander inside than a Focus or Leon. That said, there's an exception. The interior is dominated by a large central infotainment touchscreen, even on entry-level models, while the majority of physical buttons are found right in the center of the dash. It looks modern and is easy to use, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. Lovely digital driver's dials come included too. Skoda used to be about big space and small prices, but not so much looks. Not anymore. This Octavia looks fantastic inside and out. If it's space you're after, look no further than the Octavia. There's a huge amount of it for adults, no matter if they're sat in the front or back, while the Skoda's huge boot puts other family car efforts to shame. The Estate, reviewed separately, is even bigger. There's a generous range of efficient engines to choose between in petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid flavors. The usual rule applies if you're often in town. The 1.5 petrol is best. Often on the motorway, go for the 150 horsepower 2.0-liter diesel. Company car drivers will find the plug-in hybrid the cheapest to run. Plus, there are powerful VRS models, also reviewed in its own right, on offer too.